Alright, here's the deal, because I know you guys are gonna ask how to do it. Because I know for an actual fact y'all are gonna ask. Step 1. Open your mods. Realistically, if you want to make sure everything works perfectly, I would read through the mod list of the workshop link, and I would make sure that you just turn everything on, which if the only mods you have subscribed are your workshop link mods, you can just enable literally everything. But what's important here, the only thing that you need to have on to do the Lua step is you need to have this right here. Bing, 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 bing. Lua for barotrauma. This has to be in your enabled packages over here. Cannot be on the right. Needs to be on the left. Okay. Needs to be on the left. Enabled needs to be enabled regular packages. All right. And I'm gonna know whether or not you did this shit because I got Lua CS client side enforced. Okay, which is actually really important because some of the mods, if people have it on, if people have it off, cause big problems. So this is gonna check and see if you have it on. If not, it's gonna kick you from the server, and then we can fix it. Which I know sounds lame, but again, if you are there and don't have it somehow, and someone else, and like everyone else does have it, it's gonna break shit really bad. Okay. Then obviously once it's over here, make sure you press apply. Everything will work fine. It'll be beautiful. Then host server. Okay, you're gonna click host server. None of this fucking matters. Literally nothing matters except for right here. Server executable needs to be set to Lua for barotrauma. Say yes. This is important. Don't do this. Not gonna work. Start it up. I would turn off public server too. By the way, it'll make it a little faster to boot up. Like make sure public server's off. It doesn't like matter, but it'll make it, like I said, load faster. Taking forever. Fuck. Oh my god. And then load into a fucking sandbox with anything. Doesn't fucking matter. Pick a random fucking submarine and I'm gonna fucking load in with fucking the Barsook. Okay, now that you're loaded in, all you gotta do, press F2. I lied, F3. Yep, press F3. Type install. Oh, Jesus Christ. Install. Yeah, there you go. Underscore CL underscore Lua. See this? You're gonna press enter. Oh my god. It's installed. Then, from here, without doing anything else, you're gonna Alt F4 your fucking game. And then, open that bitch back up. And it'll be fine. Should be fine. Anyways, I think that's how, yeah, not I think, it will work. Now for the nerd shit, if you actually give a single fuck to understand why we need to have Lua for barotrauma, why it needs all this random shit, why it needs all this complicated process, Lua trauma, wow, fuck, barotrauma is based on an XML like file system and programming language. And XML is actually really similar to Lua. It's just a little simpler. Because this guy wasn't obviously started making this game, to be honest with you. Realistically, it should be in Lua, probably be even better performance and whatnot. But point is, let's say you have a mod like neurotrauma, which does all the medical stuff for humans, right? There is in the game a human.xml file. If you want to make changes to that file, you can't open it up, add a couple lines, and then put it back. You have to completely make a new human file, which sure you can copy paste it, then make changes. Then you have to put the new, for the mod, you have to put the new human file over the old one, completely getting rid of the old one. So let's say you have two different mods. Here's what the problem is: two different mods that both override the human file. Well, only one of them's gonna work because whichever one gets overridden last is the one that's gonna be there. Whatever the fuck is on one of the mods is just gonna disappear because it's gonna be gone. That's because XML doesn't support call functions like most modern programming languages. So what the Lua for barotrauma is doing is literally changing the server-side executable of the game to run on Lua, which is a fucking feat in and of itself that that's even possible. It's kind of incredible. It doesn't touch anything client-side until we tell it to, which is why we have to close our game and reopen it, because it's like moving files around to your client, because again, the game wasn't built to run on this engine. It's again really incredible. Obviously some things are still running on XML. It's not like a complete rewrite of the game. It just changes most of the important things that a mod could ever need. So now you could have neurotrauma call. You could put a call function into the human XML file, which will activate neurotrauma. Now you can put a call function for ammo boxes and different weapons and different upgrades and stuff. Just tons of different mods that I want to use Lua. Now they can just make a call to the human XML instead of having to literally replace it. Yeah, I don't think anyone is going to give that much a fuck, but if you're curious, that's why all those that.